buddy.
Hey, hi Ananya, how are you?
I'm good. What are you doing?
I'm reading this very popular book by Master Chef Ananya Banerjee.
And guess what?
Tell me.
I'm reading your book.
Oh my god, you got a copy! Wow, thank you so much Ananya. I'm honored that you're actually reading my book.
So,
thank you.
We are reading each other's books. Hello and a very warm welcome to AB Ka Adda. And today I have with me my friend who's multi-talented actor, author, stand-up comedian, what not, Umesh Pherwani. Welcome to AB Ka Adda, Umesh.
Thank you so much Ananya. I'm honored to be on your show.
Thank you.
And before you go on, this is a beautiful house.
Thank you.
Compliment to you, as beautiful as you.
Oh, thank you so much. You are a super achiever. The more I know about you, you have done so many things. Why don't you talk about some of your latest achievements? I know there's many. This one.
Yeah, this is the latest baby that I have, the Mind Switch that is just come out, and it's basically a book how you can tune your mind to achieve whatever you want and uncover your brilliance. I honestly believe each one of us has a genius within us, and that genius just needs to be uncovered and brought out into the open, and that's what this whole book is all about. I believe, we restrict ourselves to one career, so I want to be known only as doing this or doing that, and then we feel that's the end of the story. Like you are pursuing your passion, you're an artist who's so well recognized, so well known. I have a lot of respect for your art, and here you are a chef, a master chef who's come out with your brilliant book. I've been going through it. My wife has been experimenting with the dishes and they are really coming out really well. So great Ananya, you're a super achiever yourself.
Super, thank you so much. But since you are in AB Ka Adda,
yes.
and what is Adda without good food?
Absolutely.
So let's head to the Adda. You know what my Adda is? My kitchen.
Of course. I thought you were kidnapping me. So what surprise do you have for me today?
How about Sai Bhaji? Sai Bhaji is a healthy...
You've done some googling on me. It's my favorite dish.
Really?
It is. Yeah, absolutely. It is my favorite dish. Sai Bhaji is like healthiest.
Today you'll get Sai Bhaji with a twist.
With a twist?
With a twist.
What, it won't be green?
Let's
different color Sai Bhaji.
Let's go and find out. So we are in our Adda today.
Wow.
And cooking Sai Bhaji.
Sai Bhaji, but I am more interested in the twist.
Twist. Now let me tell you, have you ever heard of Sai Bhaji Pie?
What? I've heard of pie, and I have heard of Sai Bhaji, and I have heard of Life of Pi, which is a Hollywood film.
No. You heard about shepherd's pie?
Yes, of course.
Yeah. So I'm giving it a twist and layering Sai Bhaji down and potatoes up and making a pie and baking it.
Unbelievable. Wow. Wow. Hats off to your creativity, Ananya. How do you think of this?
So I'm giving a Sindhi guy Sindhi food. So I have to, I can't cook like your mother. No one, I cannot cook like any mothers actually. They are the best cooks.
Nice.
So I thought of this twist. So basically the first steps are the same as you make your Sai Bhaji. You can use lots of greens, as much greens as you can.
Yeah, Sindhi Sai means green.
So palak, and this is dill leaves. Dill.
Dill as in?
No, not that dill. D-I-L-L dill. Dill. Yeah.
Dill ka maamla.
Yeah, I think you have to cook with your heart. That goes without saying.
You're putting lots of your heart in this.
Lots of my heart. Green peas, green beans, and little carrots and pumpkin. The chana dal. A little bit of water and just pressure cook it for 2 to 3 whistles. What is life without some tadka?
Yes, of course.
So some oil, little onion. So when the onion turns a little pink, You can add your garlic, tomatoes. I'm using Kashmiri red chili. You can use the hot red chili. A little turmeric powder, haldi, some green chili.
Yes.
When this is stir fried enough, you add the puree to this. Okay. Of course, salt to taste.
Salt to taste.
So this is reduced down now. Put it in a baking dish.
Sai Bhaji in a baking dish. What next?
No, this is great fun.
I'm sure.
Giving a Sindhi guy Sai Bhaji in a different form.
Yes, absolutely.
So you just set it up like shepherd's pie. Keema layer goes.
Artistically you do it, Ananya. Wow. This is a masterpiece in itself. Gosh, look how well layered and smooth textured.
This is layered and kept ready. The Sai Pie twist. So I have some mashed boiled potatoes. I'm adding some milk. Don't look. Melted butter. Don't look. Close your eyes.
I didn't see this. And his mom is watching. She's like, मैं एक चम्मच ऑलिव ऑयल डालती हूँ और तू मेरे को इतना सुनाता है. अनन्या ने पूरी कटोरी.
नहीं, पूरी कटोरी नहीं डाला.
मैंने नहीं देखा.
And some salt to taste. I'm adding a little bit of herbs. Powdered herbs. It has oregano, little chili powder, Italian herbs, little garlic powder, some black pepper powder,
and
then mash it up well. I'm going to put this in an icing bag.
Just say that again.
We are going to put this in an icing bag. How you pipe your cakes?
Yes,
you
yes.
ice. Yeah. So we're going to put that. So it should be well mashed.
Where do you come up with such ideas, Ananya? Gosh.
Fusion. Fusion is the word.
Fusion. Wow.
Sindhi goes Italian.
See, I'm Pherwani, so already that sounds Italian, right?
Yeah,
Armani and Pherwani.
That was a good one. Armani and Pherwani.
Pherwani, yes.
Wow. Now you can do this. I'll just show you how to.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Just make a line like this. Want to try?
I'll try it because I'm going to be writing "I love you, my Jaan" to my wife when I'm making this for her.
So practice. Practice.
Oh, got it.
You are good.
Amazing. Wow. And then I go this way?
Yeah.
Okay, without breaking.
Don't worry if it breaks, but you can mend it. So when you do this for your wife, do write "I love you."
Yes.
And because you've mastered the skill now.
Yes.
And she's going to thank me. And this pretty little thing goes to a preheated oven for 20 to 25 minutes or until the potatoes are golden brown. Now the Sai Pie is baking. Why don't you talk about your book, The Mind Switch?
Yes.
Let us switch something here.
Yes, just like how you switched on the oven.
Yes.
Until you put in something and you just leave it there, it's not going to cook.
Right.
So that's the same thing what we do. We just do all the effort, we put in all the hard work that logically requires us to be successful, and then we forget to switch on the oven.
Oh, very well said.
Yeah, that's exactly what happens with us. And that's what Mind Switch is all about. It's just about small, simple changes that you make in your life. Did you know that if you just stop eating sugar, you can lose up to 5 kgs? Not doing a minute of workout, just you stop eating sugar, and in 30 days you can lose up to 3 to 5 kgs. How amazing is that?
Hey, I'm going to do this. Really,
Yes.
I need to lose weight.
Yeah, it's. I mean, I don't know if you remember reading in Times of India. I've gone on from 100 kgs and I came down to 69 kgs. I lost 32 kgs in a matter of 3 months.
No, Umesh, I do remember because I have seen you that time.
Yes.
I think I have seen you that stage, and I
see me in every shape and size.
Yeah. No, and it is the truth. Of course, I've seen it.
And people who see those pictures when I do my seminars and I'm showing them, and they're like, "No, Umesh, this is photoshopped," and I tell them, "Thank you."
No, it is not.
Trust me, this Ananya. If we put our mind to something and just give it a complete focused attention, the key word here is focus. We need to create masterpieces from our lives. Who we are. We have one life that is here to explore and just be the best that we can. And simple changes in your life, one little change. Stop, if you just stop gossiping, trust me. Now this is another little change I've realized, and I've, in my house, no gossiping allowed. So if you just stop judging people and if you stop talking about other people, you will raise your frequencies to such a high level that you will start activating the law of attraction. And it's like electricity. Now I can use the same electricity to, light up the room, or put my finger in the socket and shock myself to death. It's how I use it. And people do that, when they're misusing it, they are actually, getting the repercussions of what we call karma. Karma is nothing but just what actions you do, the reactions that come back from the universe, and it's unbiased. And that's all this book talks about. But thank you so much for picking up a copy, and I'm sure you'll love it.
Yeah, I'm loving it, and I'm slowly reading it.
This book hasn't been written with the intention of making money. It's written with the intention of that if I can do it, trust me, you are in a much better place, and you can do it much better than me. I guarantee you the results.
Super.
Thank you.
Now let me see.
Yes,
Sai Pie.
22 minutes.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
So as I told you, the potatoes are slightly brown, and it's cooked, baked. Tasting time.
Oh, you want me to cut the cake?
Yeah.
It looks yummy. Okay, so here goes. I'm going to take a big bite because I'm famished and मेहनत का फल हरा होता है.
Tastes like Sai Bhaji or shepherd's pie.
This tastes like heaven. Trust me, guys. Oh my gosh. You made the boring Sai Bhaji into something that is a delicacy. If you haven't tried this recipe, I'm telling you to pause the video right now, just go back and just try this right now. You can thank me later. I'm having another bite if you don't mind.
Please, all yours.
I'm going to
polish it off.
I'm absolutely going to polish it. This is absolutely, oh my gosh. Ananya.
So sweet. So give me a high pie. Sai Pie. Sai Pie. So guys, if you like this video,
please like, subscribe, and understand. You have to share. Yeah, because akela nahi khana.
And don't forget to subscribe now.
Right now. And we are at Abika Adda, the place where masterpieces are created.
होगा यूं नशा जो तैयार वो लच्छे का पराठा है.